Have you tried every diet under the sun?
Keto, paleo, vegan, Whole30. The list goes on and on.
Are you always left feeling tired, hungry, and unsatisfied?
Let me tell you, I felt the same way. Until I found the carnivore diet.
When I first heard about people eating nothing but meat, I thought they were crazy. But I was so desperate for a solution, I decided to give it the most unlikely try. What happened next transformed my life. I'm not going to lie, those first few weeks were tough. My body was used to a constant carb supply, so the transition was rough. Headaches, fatigue. I almost gave up a few times. But then something incredible started to happen.
The weight started melting away, seemingly without effort.
My endless cravings for sugar and processed junk?
Gone.
My energy levels soared.
I used to drag myself through the day,
barely able to focus. Now I wake up feeling refreshed, and my mental clarity is sharper than ever.
My skin cleared up, and those nagging aches and pains I thought were just a part of getting older practically vanished.
Even my chronic digestive issues, something I'd struggled with for years, disappeared.
I no longer felt bloated or uncomfortable after every meal. Honestly, I'd never felt this healthy and vibrant before.
And it's not just me.
I connected with a whole online community of people who have experienced similar transformations with the carnivore diet.
Turns out, ditching plants might just be the key to unlocking the best version of yourself. Yes, there are critics, people telling me this can't be healthy long-term or raising concerns about nutrient deficiencies. But the way I see it, something is seriously wrong when I feel my best eating a diet our ancestors thrived on for thousands of years. The carnivore diet, as the name suggests, is a completely animal-based eating pattern. Think beef, poultry, fish, organ meats, eggs, and sometimes a small amount of dairy. That's it.
No fruits, no vegetables, no grains,
absolutely nothing from the plant world. It's the ultimate elimination diet and definitely not for the faint of heart. People choose the carnivore diet for various reasons. Some do it for weight loss, as ditching carbs and processed foods can lead to rapid fat burning. Others experience relief from autoimmune issues, inflammation, and chronic digestive problems. They believe plants contain compounds that can be harmful, and their bodies thrive on a diet of solely animal products. Naturally, there's a lot of controversy around the carnivore diet. Concerns center around potential long-term health risks due to potential nutrient deficiencies. Lack of fiber, important for gut health, and possible increases in risks for certain chronic diseases. However, many carnivore advocates strongly believe that it's the modern, plant-heavy diet full of processed foods that is the true culprit behind our health problems. Whether the carnivore diet is a sustainable, optimal way of eating is still hotly debated. It's crucial to note that very little long-term research exists. If this diet intrigues you, it's vital to do your own thorough research, talk to healthcare professionals, and listen to your body carefully. The carnivore diet is naturally high in protein and fat, two of the most satiating nutrients. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and easy weight loss.
Additionally, since the diet eliminates carbs and processed foods,
it tackles sugar cravings and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Many proponents of the carnivore diet report significant improvements in digestive issues like bloating, gas, and irregularity. This is often attributed to the elimination of potentially irritating plant compounds and an increased intake of easily digestible animal-based foods. Some individuals experience a boost in mental clarity, focus, and energy levels on the carnivore diets. This could be due to stable blood sugar, reduced inflammation, or the simplicity of the diet itself removing decision fatigue around food choices. Eliminating entire food groups like fruits, vegetables, and grains can lead to deficiencies in vital vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Careful planning and potential supplementation may be required to mitigate these risks. Some experts worry that a diet high in saturated fat and red meat, with a complete lack of plant-based foods, could increase the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer in the long run. However, more research is definitely needed in this area. The carnivore diet is incredibly restrictive, making it difficult to adhere to socially and often challenging to eat out or while traveling. This could lead to feelings of isolation or frustration. Well, I'm not a doctor, And I'm not suggesting everyone needs to go full carnivore. But if you're tired of battling your body, tired of feeling restricted, and always a little bit hungry, then maybe, just maybe, it's time to rethink what a truly healthy diet looks like.
My question is, are you willing to try something radically different, even if it goes against everything you've been taught?
For the chance to transform your health and well-being? If your answer is yes, let this be your sign to investigate the carnivore diet. It might just change your life like it changed mine. And guess what? Getting started with nutritious whole foods is easier than you think. My #1 medical garden kit can help you do just that and improve your overall healthy lifestyle. Want to learn more about the carnivore diet and access exclusive resources? Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready to take that first step towards vibrant health with a diet based on real whole foods, click the link below to check out my medical garden kit. It's the perfect way to start growing your own garden medicine ingredients. Let me know your experiences with the carnivore diet in the comments below.